Alright, so we have to find VO for the following circuit. So let's start by setting up two nodes. Let's call this VA and let's call this VB. So let's also write down the directions of current. So let's call this I1 and let's call this I2. Okay, so for node VA, it's I1. Oh yeah, and then this is also this one. So let's call this I3. So it's I1 plus IX plus I3. They're all leaving the node. Then for VB, it's I3 plus 4IX. They're both entering it, equals to I2, leaving it. Alright, so the current here is going to be 30 volts. So now let's try and solve what these I's will be. So I1, it goes from high potential to low potential, so it'll be equal to VA minus 30. All over the resistor it travels through, so all over 10. I2, it'll be high potential to the ground node, which is 0 volts, so it'll be VB minus 0 all over 5. Alright, now we have I3, high potential to low potential, so VA minus VB all over 1 ohm. Alright, and then let's also find for IX. We have to find for IX, which is this one. So it'll be high potential VA minus 0 all over 2. Alright, so now we can start plugging things in and solving for them. So I1, it's VA minus 30 over 10 plus IX, which is VA over 2, plus I3, which is VA minus VB. Alright, now for the next one, it's I3, so VA minus VB plus 4IX, so 4 times 4A over 2. And this is equal to I2, which is VB minus VB over 5. So let's simplify this more. So we have VA over 10 plus VA over 2 plus VA. So it'll be 1 over 10 plus 0.5 plus 1. So it'll be 1.6 VA. Then we have minus 30 over 10, which will just be minus 3 minus VB. And let's bring the minus 3 to the other side. So it'll be minus VB equals 3. And then for the next one, we have VA plus 4VA over 2. So 1 plus 4VA over 2. And that's just 3VA. Then let's bring this VB to the other side. So it'll be VB over 5 plus 1. So it'll be 1 plus 1 over 5. 1.2 VB. Let's isolate for VB. Divide both sides by 1.2. And we get 2.5 VA equals VB. And we can plug that into here. So this VB, it's 2.5 VA equals 3. So 1.6 minus 2.5, that's minus 0.9 VA equals 3. Divide both sides by minus 0.09. And that gives you VA equals minus 3.333. Now we can find VB, which is just minus 3.323 times 2.5, which is minus 8.333. And what are we trying to find out? We're trying to find VO. Okay. So VO is equal to 5 ohms times the times I2, the resistor. Sorry, the current that's passing through it. So we have to find for I2. The I2 is VB over 5. So we can plug that in here. These cancel out. So VO is actually just minus VO is just VB. And that's just minus 8.333 volts. So that's your answer.